This is Derek. So the first one came already. So we're gonna find which breaker we gotta shut it off. Okay, the furnace. Yep. Now close the field. And now we're replace it. I have to get some tools. We gotta get a drill. We gotta get this. And we gotta get. So the first one came already. Let's do it. You need to get this and the scissors. Okay, so let's do it. So alright guys, if ever more complicated. So we're gonna put them in the furnace. Yep. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna put the drill in. Okay? Alright guys. So we're good. Okay, so we're gonna take the cover off. Put it right there. We got the tools. So, the problem with it. Oh, where's the screw go? I got this. Oh, there it is. What? What? Okay. So we're gonna take this off. Oh, what? Alright, we got the furnace. So we got the. This is the voltage. Yeah. Is this one? Yeah. It's Viewer. There it is. It's this motor. It had a pretty squeak. Okay, we got a new furnace motor, brand new motor. I got replaced because the other one got too rusty. Yep. I got nice and quieter. Being pounds in a loud furnace. Okay. Okay. Okay, we got that. Hey, Derek. Derek, you're proud here.